Hi, a couple of students have sent me a request for help on this one, adding page borders, and they're getting some errors in it. It seems to be kind of touchy the way you solve it. I'm going to click Let Me Try. Now I'm going to go to my Design tab. Then I'm going to click the Page Borders box. It says to choose the box style, so I'm going to choose Box here and apply Blue Accent 5. Click under here. It's the last one here. I'm going to hover and make sure that it's Blue Accent 5. Then I'm going to click down on the width and change it to 1.5 point and select OK. I'm not sure why some of you are having difficulty. It may be that you're changing the color first or something and it's having a hard time with it, but I would do it in that order and it should work for you. Okay?